The UNFAS project introduces recent advances of artificial neural networks suitable for 3D data processing to automatically detect and classify the architectural structure and style of cultural heritage buildings and historical monuments. Within the UNFAS platform, the users can upload, visualize, analyze and even share their 3D models, which are usually created by terrestrial laser scanning or photogrammetry techniques, after a lot of manual effort and the use of powerful computing units. Therefore it promotes collaboration among researchers, architects and other interested parties. 2 artificial neural networks have been separately trained on a big collection of 3D buildings that is available by BuildingNet. The first network is able to segment a building on its individual structural components, like doors and windows, and the second network detects the style of each segmented component, like Byzantine and Gothic. Both networks have been later fine-tuned on a collection of 30 Cypriot monuments that have been captured by UNFAS architects, and is publicly available in the platform. The final networks are integrated in the platform, and allow the user to visualize such automatic annotations. Our next work, called BuildingNet, was a joint work between UMass Amherst, University of Cyprus and Adobe Research. This project had 2 goals. Our first goal was to offer to our community a large dataset of 3D building models with consistently labeled exterior parts. Specifically, we offered 2,000 building models in the form of polygon meshes. Our second goal was to develop a neural network, called BuildingGNN, that takes as input a 3D mesh optionally with texture and predicts labels for building parts, such as roof, wall, chimney, window, and so on with as few mistakes as possible. A major motivation for this work is the multitude of applications related to labeling 3D buildings. Structure-aware generative models of 3D urban geometry and texture are becoming increasingly useful in graphics and virtual worlds. Labeled parts can also facilitate style-related analysis of buildings. Then synthetic building datasets may also be useful to train or pre-train 3D urban recognition pipelines. The previously discussed UNFAS project could also be one such pipeline. Lastly, the goal of projective urban texturing is to automatically generate textures for large-scale urban meshes. Specifically, given a street-level panoramic image dataset, and untextured 3D meshes, representing large-scale urban environments, our method generates a texture within an atlas, such that the 3D geometry is textured according to the color and style statistics of the training image dataset. Our method learns to generate textures without requiring paired images with meshes. The meshes can represent largely different buildings from the ones observed in the images. Here, we show results from our test scene. PUT is able to transfer the appearance of real-world panoramas on the untextured geometry. We illustrate a 3D scene textured by PUT trained on London Street View panoramic images. We observe that PUT is able to generate London-style textures for our large-scale 3D mesh.